got a TR6 Diff here, and what we first do is give it a quick inspection, look at all the mounts. They are prone to cracking on the front right mount. Up inside there's no reinforcing carried out. It's really hard to see with the diff in, so the first thing we'll do is give it all a good check, a good clean up, and we'll take the diff out.
Right, so a little update on the TR6 Diff mounting that I was doing yesterday. Actually inspected it. Someone's already repaired it previously. They put these little circular repair panels on. It's not ideal, but it's actually sufficient. The pin was tied up nicely up through. It had been cracked up inside, but it had been repaired, so there's no need to mess about with it. So I put an internal reinforcing plate up inside before boxing it in, treating it all with rust preventative paint. Done that on both front mounts. What a lot of people don't do on these mounts when they do them, they actually they weld all the way around. But we always leave a gap at the back on both sides for the water to run out for a bit of drainage. And the same on the rear mounts as well. We put reinforcing plates up, panelled it on both sides. On this one, if the body was off, what we'd normally do is we'd actually have a plate like this, so, you know, up on the top to really reinforce it, but it's just not possible when the body's on the car. Also put a little fillet down on each side of there for additional strength. It's all been painted in colourless rust paint, so it's a bit wet, that's why it looks all a bit mucky, but should make it last. So it's all a lot stronger now, ready for the diff to go in.
Here you can see the boxed in mount on the front right. Somebody had welded in this disc, and the welding wasn't too bad. It was strong enough, wasn't worth messing about taking it off. It would have destroyed the whole mount trying to take that off, but the pin up inside was welded nicely. It was strong, so it wasn't worth messing with, wasn't worth taking it off. Because I'm leaving the disc there, I will actually put one on the other mount as well, so the diff sits straight and not wonky. Up inside we use this little gusset on the top of the pin, gives the pin additional strength. You can see in that picture there, you can just about see it. And we put the sides on. The welding's not ideal in this. The car was so thick with wax, so it made welding an absolute nightmare, so please excuse that. But we put the side panels in. Inside's all been treated with rust paint. You can see all the wax all just dripping off everywhere. It was an absolute mess and a nightmare to clean off. But on these rear mounts, we do the same, and in this little open area there, we put little gusset in. These are the 3mm steel plates that we use, all different shapes, cut ready to go in. And that's all of it welded in. You can see at the back mount, and there's the little fillet we put in as well. Here it is, painted up with colourless paint inside the box and out. What we do as well is we never weld all the way around. We always leave a gap at the back so the water can drain out. That's a lot of mistake people make. And the same with the rear mounts as well. Always allow for water to drain out. Now let's just get the diff in, and that's complete.